Let's make a Marie biscuit pudding for today's recipe. To make the Marie biscuit pudding, you will need the following ingredients. 1 cup of butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Place the butter in the bowl you will be making the chocolate buttercream. 3.5 cup of icing sugar. For those of you who like a thicker layer of chocolate icing on your Marie biscuit pudding, add an extra 1/2 cup of sugar. 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or regular coffee granules. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1.5 cup of fresh milk. 80 to 90 Marie biscuits. You can buy a large Marie biscuit pack or 5 or 6 smaller packs of 75 grams. To decorate, 1/2 cup of coarsely crushed cashews. This is an optional ingredient. To make the Marie biscuit pudding, make the chocolate buttercream first. Sift the icing sugar into a bowl, followed by sifting cocoa powder and then the coffee into the icing sugar. Set aside. Place butter in a bowl and soften it with your spoon. Once the butter is soft, combine the butter and sifted icing sugar with the cocoa powder and coffee well. Add a pinch of salt. Add vanilla and mix until you have a creamy chocolate buttercream. Refrigerate until you need it. To make the pudding, have your Pyrex dish ready. Soak the biscuit one at a time. 3 to 5 seconds of dunking should do. Lay the bottom layer of soaked biscuits slightly overlapping each other. Once the first biscuit layer is done, add a few tablespoons of chocolate icing over the biscuit layer and then spread evenly. Do another biscuit layer. Followed by a layer of chocolate butter icing. Continue to do the layers of biscuit and chocolate butter icing alternatively. You would probably have 3 to 4 layers of biscuit and chocolate buttercream icing. Once you are done with the biscuit layers, the top layer should be a thick layer of chocolate icing. Once the Marie biscuit pudding is done, refrigerate the chocolate biscuit pudding for 6 hours to set. Once chilled, you can cut them into individual pieces to serve. And this is your Marie chocolate biscuit pudding. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. You can always contact me through commenting here or my blog islandsmile.org.